Hi everyone, this is Muhammad Hussein. Today I'm going to talk about Sankey software and diagram. Let's start. A Sankey diagram is a flowchart that visually shows how resources, energy, or data moves through a system. These diagrams have evolved into powerful tools for illustrating various kinds of flows in modern applications. Arrows or bands are used to show the flow and distribution of resources, energy, or data. For example, in this photo, the exergy rate in a specific cycle is shown. We can easily compare the amount of exergy rate and exergy destruction in each component. This photo has three key features: arrows, boxes, and directions. These features help us read the diagrams to translate a Sankey diagram. We should follow the string based on the direction and compare the thickness of the arrows. Sankey diagrams have different applications: energy management, material flow analysis, financial flows, environmental studies. For example, for energy management, we can use these photos for tracking production, distribution, and consumption. Or in material flow analysis, we can mapping supply chains and waste management. To create a Sankey diagram, we should follow these steps: collect data, identify nodes or key points, draw arrows with a proportional thickness, add labels and colors, check for accuracy and readability. Now let's draw these diagrams by Sankey software. In the first step, we should open our Sankey software, choose this option, new document. Now we should draw our nodes or boxes by using this option. We can change its line color, black, and change its width, and interior color, and change its size, and give a name. In our example, it's A. You can change its font size or font style from this option. And use this. To save time, we can copy and paste these nodes and place in a different locations based on our map. In this example, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now we should change their name. B, C, D. We can use these options to draw our arrow. We must pay attention to their direction. Before we will on to each string, we should create a group and subgroup from here. Select this option and create a new group. Give a name, for example, 1, and subgroup. In this example, we have three type of string. First one is power, exergy rate, and other one is exergy structure. Now we can change their unit from here, edit, unit types, and change its name exergy, and we can change its unit megawatt or kilowatt. Now we should drag and drop each subgroup onto its corresponding string. Power, power, exaggerate, and exaggerate structure. To increase readability and accuracy, we can change the color. We can choose for exaggerate yellow and red for exaggerate structure. Now, click on the string, give their amount based on our example. Click on the string and give amount. We can click on the blocks and it's calculate balance between inlet and outlet streams. Here we have 750 differences, kilowatt hours differences. Now all blocks are balanced, 0 and 0. Now we can click on the streams and select them to change their color, title of color, sample in these. Change the font. Can change its color from these options. And yellow string and change the color. And this, and for exact structure, change the color again. Okay. To increase accuracy and readability, we should align the string and their title with white font on the strings. We can change their location like this. Now our diagram is ready to export. We can click File, Export, and change its scale and resolution. Okay. Now we can open our bed. That's it. This is our Sankey diagram with Sankey software.